Hello there. Welcome to another edition of Nick's Friction Zone. I have another motorcycle crash to show you. This one involves two motorcycles and one vehicle. Check it out.
Then we must.
I think I'll be that.
Oh! What the fuck?
Not again. Wow, wow, wow.
Oh!
Shit.
Okay, guys. So typically when I post this type of videos, I try not to immediately place blame on who was the fault of the crash. I usually try to leave this to you guys to make a determination. But in this case, it's a little bit different. It's pretty blatant, in my opinion, that at least from a partial standpoint, the both motorcycle riders were at fault. So here's my take on it. The first motorcycle rider immediately made a mistake of not anticipating the car or the lane to be taken by the car that was on the right. As motorcycle riders, you are taught to always anticipate for the worst and have an alternative route or an alternative course of action in case something happens. This guy clearly didn't take that into account. The second rider, so that one is a little bit more egregious. So, place yourself in the situation of the second rider. He was going down the road, and if he was really paying attention, he would have noticed two cars that were stopped. The car in the middle lane was stopped, and the car on the right lane was also stopped. So what did this guy do? He wanted to just kind of like split the lanes and quickly zoom by, right? Okay, I get it. You're riding a motorcycle, you have agility, you want to show off your cornering skills or lane splitting skills or whatever, and you want to quickly just get in and get out of the situation. Okay, so my recommendation would have been, if that's what you see in front of you, slow down. Why? You never know what. Ask yourself, why did the car in the middle lane stop to begin with? There must have been something that happened in front of the vehicle, right? And if you're going right down the street, you can't tell what's in front of the parked vehicle. So, always anticipate for the worst. At that situation, the rider should have slowed down, or should have completely tried to avoid that area by moving to the left, right? Well, that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, just want to give you a quick shout out before you go. I just want to thank you guys for watching my channel. If you guys like this content, I would appreciate it if you guys would do me a solid and hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. Well, that's about it. Take care and see you again. Bye.